Hey guys, welcome back to my July tray. I actually forgot to record previously, like the intro, but yeah, I'm just taking off all of the fragrances. I'm gonna clean off the tray and then we're gonna go ahead and start with my actual July tray. Alright you guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and start with July's tray, and this tray is super fun, very fruity, very tropical. Start with this first one, and this is from Michelle Germaine. This is Sugarful Sunshine, literally one of my favorite pineapple coconut fragrances ever. I find that it is really comparable to Bath and Body Works coconut pineapple. This is like a perfume form. It's so good, very tropical. This is the perfect time of the year to be bringing it out, so I'm so excited to be pulling her out and playing with her. Alright, then I have two fragrances by Escada. This first one is Santorini Sunrise. This is one from a couple years ago. Both of these are. I used to get mine from Ulta, but I think Ulta discontinued the Escada line. It smells amazing. It's very aquatic and sweet and fruity and just perfect for this time of the year. The other one is going to be Turquoise Summer, and this is also a really tropical aquatic fragrance, very watery, just a perfect vacation fragrances. I love these both so much. I love Escada over here, or also Fragrance Net. I always have these on sale, so yeah. Next, there's one that I could not wait to pull out. This is Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid, and this one came out last year. It is the one that all the girlies were talking about. This is that banana vanilla creamy type of fragrance. Really the best Gucci Flora fragrance they have. One of my all-time favorites was the original Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia, and it was the one that was clear with the purple juice. Now they have that one in a pink bottle. They're not quite the same, but this one is amazing and by far my favorite out of the entire Gucci Flora line, so we love this one. I have a lot of groups of pairings this month. This first one is Sunfruit. It is one I purchased in full last year. I just finished up a travel size bottle of this and I'm so excited for this one. This one is very, very fruity and tropical, so I love this one. Alright, now the next Ellis Brooklyn is going to be Guava Granita, and this is the one all the girls have been talking about. I got this during, I think, spring annual Sephora sale for 20% off. I love this one. She's so fun. Definitely a really nice tropical guava fragrance, and I could not wait to pull this one out. I've been waiting for the perfect time, and I feel like July is the perfect time. So yeah, I can't wait to play with her and see how I feel about this one. 3 Victoria's Secret Bombshell fragrances coming to the tray. Okay, so this first one is actually the same one from last month because I didn't get a lot of wear out of her and I wanted to play with her a little bit more. But this is Bombshell Amalfi, and I have already done a video talking about this, so I won't go into too much details, but she is really nice, so I couldn't wait to play with her. The other bombshell is going to be Santorini, and again, this is perfect. This is more of that your salty coconut type of fragrance. I can't wait to play with this one. I've been liking that salty coconut note as well, so yeah. Again, video will be linked for you guys to check out if you have not already. Last one, I don't know if I have a review on, but this is Bombshell Escape, and this actually came out last year. I don't know that they still have this one. I would have to double check. I really remember what this one gave, but when I sprayed it when I was going through my fragrances trying to see what I wanted to put on the tray, it smelled really nice. So yeah, I'm excited to play with this one, and I don't get a lot of wear out of my Victoria's Secret fragrances. I said I was going to stop buying them unless I really love them, and all 3 of these I really did like when I first smelled them, so that's the reason why I got them. 2 fragrances that were on my tray for June that I'm bringing back. This first one, Is this, at this point, this is probably the third month that I'm keeping her on the tray. I've been enjoying this one way more than I initially did, and the more I wear it, the more it grows on me. This is MFK's Kirk, you guys. Look at this dent. Can you tell that I have been enjoying her? Because I have. This is such a pretty scent, you guys. I'm wearing this one again today, and I just love her. I love her so much. This is the last month that y'all gonna see her though, no matter what. Like, I'm taking her off the tray, but she is so good. I'm bringing to the tray again is going to be my Vacation fragrance by Vacation. And y'all know this is that sunscreeny scent. Y'all know this is the one that I love to wear to the beach. I have the fragrance oil that I wear it with, and I wear the fragrance oil by itself sometimes too, but this is literally the epitome of a perfect pool scent. Like, I love this so much. I don't think I'm going to use this one up this year, but this is one I can definitely see myself repurchasing because I really enjoy it. So I told you guys I have 2 watermelon fragrances coming to the tray. This first one is actually by Aroma Concepts, and this is Batika. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's one I got last year when I started introducing myself to Arabian fragrances. Y'all, she literally smells like a watermelon candy. Like, she just smells like a watermelon hard candy. I love this one. So cute. Someone told me it was very juvenile, and that is a-okay. I love this one. It smells so good to me, and it's just one that I want to put on. I'll put this on right out the shower when I just want to smell really cute. This is the one, okay? So I love this one. All right, moving along to the last 3 fragrances. I have 2 fragrances by Dolce and Gabbana, and this is from the Dolce line, and these are ones I have not pulled out in a while, so I wanted to pull them out. This first one is Dolce Shine. I want to say these are both discontinued. I'm not sure, but you definitely can pick these up on like Fragrance Net or something like that. This is Dolce Shine. Me is more of the coconutty fragrance. I don't know if it has coconut, but it gives me that like sunscreeny vibe that I like. Maybe a white floral or something. I can't even remember, but it's really, really nice. I'm almost done with this bottle. I'm trying to decide if this is one I want to finish up. It could be one that I want to finish up. I'm not sure. I lost the bow to it. I don't know what happened to it, but I do really enjoy Dolce and Gabbana's Dolce line. I think a lot of their fragrances are really pretty, so I love this one. All right, the other Dolce one that I'm bringing is actually Lily, and it's been a while since I pulled her out. She is a really nice one that I like for spring and summer. She has a very distinctive like sweet floral scent, but I really like this one. These are some of my favorite like floral fragrances. They're not, I don't know, they're like sweet floral, so I do enjoy these. This one actually has a little bit of a sour smell to me. Like, it smells a little sour, almost like a sour candy, but it still has like this lily in it. So I don't know, I can't really explain it, but I do like this one, so we're going to be adding her. The last fragrance we're bringing to the tray is one of my newest one. I've done a review on this. This is by the brand Sniff. This is Sweet Tooth, and y'all know this is a watermelon fragrance as well. So if you have not seen my review on this, I will have it linked. But this is a sweet watermelon candy turn into like a soft, sweet, musky type of fragrance. So I like these. So yeah, I love that for me, and those are all my fragrances for the tray. I have to actually clean off my dresser again because it got dirty, like, because I've been stopping doing this video, like stopping and going, but yeah, this is my fragrance tray for the month. It actually looks so beautiful. Over here we actually have some body care for the month. These are body care products from my Project Use It Up. I do kind of add, and then I will go and grab different fragrances if I'm feeling, you know, into different fragrances. But we have the watermelon lemonade, what is this, pink watermelon blast, I'm sorry, or groovy watermelon, same difference. We have my summer melody, I still have this one out. Also, we have firecracker pop for the 4th of July. I have this Bahama passion fruit flower body lotion. It's like a glowy lotion. I'm gonna try to use that. My coconut oil from Bath and Body Works in the sun, because I've been dying for some like sunscreen suntan body spray. How much I've been obsessed with this musk spray. Like, look at that. Do you see the dent in that? Y'all, it is so good. I feel like I need to pick up a backup of that one. Even though I already picked up one backup from SAS, I feel like I might need another. We have Love Always Wins, Pink Pineapple Sunrise, Rio Radiance, and then Charosta 62. I really like this one as well. I think I want to get that in full size, but not right now. Then we have my Fenty body butters. We just have both of them over there because I meant to do a little clip for my shorts, but I still haven't. But they're sitting here. We have some travel sizes and some oils. So I switched out some of my travel sizes. This is Juliet Has a Gun, just the original. This is already in here. I had a lot of these in here. Fiery Goddess, Tom Ford, Soleil Blanc. That's one I actually should have put on my tray, but I'll put that on for August. Gingham Glow, Skylar. I've been loving this one, Sweet Nothings. I love this one a lot. Right here we have my Baccarat oil, my Nest mini oil. I do have a full size of this. Cotton Candy by Sugar Milk Co. This one is amazing. Cotton Candy Musk. This was from Heavenly Scent by Shannon. You can find her on Facebook. I also have this one by Fluff by her as well. Look at that. Like, I use this one so much. It's so good. I have my Vacation oil, my Tom Ford oil, and then I just have a little hand cream here. I have my 2 SPFs here. Coconut oil, oregano guys oil. That is it. That is my tray for July. It's a lot. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.